Hi there! You want to learn Chinese in an easy and funny way? This is the right place. I'm Julie, and you are on good study. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak more than 20 new Chinese words or expressions. Watch until the end. I created a quiz, so you can test your new knowledge. Let's go! 肉肉猪肉猪肉牛肉牛肉小牛肉小牛肉羊肉羊肉羊羔肉羊羔肉鸡肉鸡肉火鸡肉火鸡肉鸭肉鸭肉鹅肉鹅肉猪排猪排牛排牛排羊排羊排鸡排鸡排鸡腿鸡腿鸡翅鸡翅牛舌牛舌牛尾牛尾鹅肝鹅肝排骨排骨香肠香肠烟熏肉烟熏肉火腿火腿培根培根瘦肉瘦肉肥肉肥肉测验这是什么 A 培根 B 鸡翅 C 香肠A 牛排 B 猪肉 C. 小牛肉 A. 羊肉 B. 鸡肉 C. 鸭肉 Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click like and don't forget to subscribe. 谢谢。